Afternoon, Monte. Ron here at Burton Chevrolet. Going to do a quick video walk around on the 2013 Subaru Impreza Sport all-wheel drive. Priced at $14,988. I'm going to do the best I can. Obviously, we don't sell a lot of Subarus. Okay, tires look real good on this thing. Okay, take a peek on the inside. Two-tone interior, manual transmission, traction control, Bluetooth. Okay. Let's scroll over here. 35,000 miles. All right. Back door. We'll take a look in the back as well. All right. It's like a pretty clean vehicle for the year. Especially with light color interior, that stuff's pretty hard to keep clean. Again, it's a Subaru Impreza Sport Wagon. Yeah. The rear hatch does have the cargo cover. Okay. Pan around here to the passenger side. Does have the roof rails as well. Alright, again, Ron here at Burton Chevrolet, 2013 Subaru Impreza, $14,988. Any questions, give me a shout or stop out and see me. Again, Ron here at Burton. Thank you.